To remove objects from photo on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, you have to start by opening Gallery, and now just go for this photo that you want to adjust. So for me, for example, I will try to go for example, for this photo. Now we have to click on this edit icon. Right now, when we are here, we have to click on this icon, and here we can find that object eraser. So we have to just tap on it. This is the feature that will allow us to actually remove some objects. And now let's say I want to remove, for example, the part of my head. So I have to draw around my head like that. It's selected. Now I can release and wait for this automatic detection, and I have to select erase. We have to just wait for this. Let's see if it's gonna remove that object. Wait, let's call my head the object. And as you can see, it's finished, but still we can find something here. So we can try to actually do this one more time. Let's check if it's gonna catch it. Yeah, so we can improve. And now as you can see, we have to click done. And now we have to click save in the right upper corner.